On April 14, 1865, the American Civil War was finally over. Hope was rising across the nation. But that very night, a single gunshot would shock the world. This is the story of Abraham Lincoln's assassination. Abraham Lincoln, the 16th president, led America through its bloodiest war. He fought to preserve the Union and abolish slavery. In 1863, he signed the Emancipation Proclamation, freeing enslaved people. To many, he was a hero. But to others, especially Confederate supporters, he was an enemy. One man, in particular, hated him deeply. John Wilkes Booth was a famous actor and a Confederate sympathizer. He believed Lincoln had destroyed the South. Booth didn't just want revenge. He wanted to revive the Confederate cause. He formed a conspiracy with several others. Their plan? Kill key leaders of the US government, including Vice President Andrew Johnson and Secretary of State William Seward. On April 14, 1865, President Lincoln attended a play called Our American Cousin at Ford's Theatre with his wife, Mary Todd Lincoln. At around 10:15 p.m., Booth quietly entered the box from behind, pulled out a .44 caliber pistol, and shot Lincoln in the back of the head. The audience thought it was part of the play. Booth jumped onto the stage and shouted, "Sic semper tyrannis." Booth broke his leg while jumping but still managed to escape. Lincoln was carried across the street to a small boarding house. Doctors tried everything, but the wound was fatal. On April 15, 1865, at 7:22 a.m., Abraham Lincoln died, becoming the first US president to be assassinated. The entire country was in shock. A massive manhunt began. After 12 days, Booth was found hiding in a barn in Virginia. The barn was set on fire. Booth was shot and killed. His co-conspirators were later captured and executed. Lincoln's death changed America forever. He had plans to reunite the country peacefully after the Civil War. Without him, Reconstruction became harsher and more divided. His assassination created a legacy of martyrdom. Today, Lincoln is remembered as one of the greatest leaders in American history. But that single gunshot echoed through history. History is not just written by leaders. Sometimes, it's changed by a single trigger.